A very warm welcome to our achievement series today. Today, I have a very special guest with me called Ajinkya. So, Ajinkya has cracked a job in Byju's, and the whole intention of today's interview is to understand how he achieved this beautiful milestone in his life. So, very warm welcome to you, Ajinkya, and I'm super happy to have you here.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It is just happening because of you and your humble guidance to me.
Thank you. So, what
Yes,
we'll do
ma'am.
is, Ajinkya, just for the benefit of our audience, I'll just ask you a couple of questions to decode your journey so that our audience takes inspiration and learns from the methods that you apply to crack a job in this market. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes,
before we
ma'am.
begin, Ajinkya, could you tell me something about you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm 20. My name is Ajinkya. I'm 22 years old. I find myself an enthusiastic, optimistic, and passionate person who always seek for new challenges. And my main motto of my life is to just identify the problems of people and to solve them with the help, my efforts, and my help. This is the motto of my life. I graduated from one of the prestigious college from Nasik, made Bhujbal Knowledge City, and I got first class with distinction in mechanical engineering. After that, I also completed my diploma in mechanical engineering from Med Bhujbal Knowledge City as well. This is my complete introduction, and my short-term goal is to have an sales and marketing position in any edtech company, and long-term goal is to have an regional manager post. So
Fantastic.
sales and yes. So I'm coming from the technical background, but to shift myself from technical to non-technical, I have to work on myself, and I decided to work on myself, and that decision changed my life. So you are only one decision away to change your life.
That's
So
fantastic.
that's just one decision.
So the attitude actually speaks a lot. So I know the fact that you've been able to achieve what you wanted to achieve is purely one main reason is a good attitude, and then
Yes,
the
ma'am.
learning happens and the
Yeah,
implementation happens. But
attitude is everything.
absolutely.
Yes.
So Ajinkya, tell me, before you joined the Living Peak community, how many interviews did you give
After joining Live in Peak community,
before?
I only give one interview, and just in one interview, I would crack that interview just because of job ready course.
Okay, so before the
Uh,
community joining, before you joined a program, you didn't give any interviews.
After joining program only one, but before that I'll give 4 or 5 interviews
4 to 5.
on my college placement
Okay.
sessions.
So,
Yes.
if we have to compare, when you gave those 4 to 5 interviews versus
Hmm.
this one interview that you gave,
Yes.
okay, what changes did you make in your strategy, in your resume, in your the way you answer your personal interviews? If you could just give us some good tips for the audience, that would really help them.
Yes. Before job ready course come into my life, what happened that I don't know about something the rituals of job ready. Okay, job placement, group discussion, presentation, and what the frequently asked questions which I have asked in the interview. I don't even know about how to answer that question. Once my basic completed and what concurrent in job ready course, that helps me a lot, and how to crack interview, what are the rituals and the basics of job interview process, I learned from job ready course. I implemented on myself, and after implementation I immediately got result. So some people learn something from some sources, but they don't implement. So implementation is the most important key to success, whatever you know.
Fantastic. Yes. Fantastic. So there's a golden nugget there. Implementation is the key to success. For those of you who are watching this video, please take a note of that one. Okay. So Ajinkya, if you could just walk us through the entire process. How did you apply for Byju's? What were the rounds that were there? What were the kind of questions asked in the personal interview that would really help the audience?
Yes, ma'am. Uh, Actually, I just saw one post on Facebook that we are hiring at Byju's. So I just submitted my all the details on that particular portal. And after that, what happens? I got one message from Byju's that you are shortlisted for telephonic interview. I'm sorry. So So actually what happens, there are three interview rounds for the Byju's selection procedure for the business development associate. So in telephonic interview, the first interview is of my only 5 to 10 minutes, and they just ask me, tell me something about yourself and why sales after non-technical after technical to non-technical. And after that, I gave my full introduction to that sir. And after what why sales? Okay, so they just fascinated with my answer, and I just know that for that particular answer they would selected me in Byju's. And after that, one Zoom call interview with HR ma'am. Okay, HR, that Mona ma'am is there. So she took my interview, and that interview could be 30 minutes. And after that, she was also selected me for in second round, and immediately third round is there. So in one day, I gave three interview, and in whole one day, and after that, I got call from HR ma'am that you got selected in Byju's. So after something listening about I got selected, I just recall your name. Thank you, ma'am. Just because happening for you.
Thank you, Ajinkya. So,
Yeah.
as they say, the one who's very dedicated, you just have to show them the path and they'll manage it on their own, right?
Yes. Yes.
So, while I'll definitely take credit for showing you the path, but walking on that path, bearing all the obstacles, hurdles was all on your merit that you did, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, I think it's fantastic that the first job in itself, or first interview in itself, you've been able to manage. Okay,
Yes,
and if
ma'am.
you don't mind sharing, Ajinkya, what is the CTC like when you got this job? What's the CTC, and what are they planning to change later on? Are they planning to change any CTC?
Yes, yes. Just for the first 2 months, there is a probation period, and after that, you will have to complete the target. Once you have in sales and marketing, target-based job is everywhere in MNC company or in small company. So sales and marketing is a target-based job. Once you will have completed the target of first 2 months, then your post is shift from trainee to the associate, means business development trainee to the business development associate. Once you shifted from trainee to associate, your package will boom to the 7 lakh. And after that, once you have completed all the targets, and once you go from the all the procedure, there is a 1 or 1.5 year procedure to go from the business development associate. And once you have completed all the targets in this particular period, then you will permanent in Byju's. So that 1 or 1.5 year is the most important for any Byju's training or any BDA position to get permanent in Byju's.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So at this point, I wanted to ask you that is there any reason why you did not choose campus recruitment?
Actually, campus recruitment is about the technical. Okay.
Okay.
So basically, I also dreamed about Byju's in my campus interview, because what happened, Byju's is already come to our campus for the campus interview. But due to this pandemic, they were not able to come in our college for the placement drives. So I just thought about that. काम तो करते हैं, कोशिश तो करते हैं, देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है. So I just keep hustling at that moment, and I just working on my communication skills, English speaking skills. So once I got preferably more confidence about this something, so I just gave interview and selected in that particular interview. So this
Okay.
confidence is also most important, that where you are going, that confidence needs courage. And once you have that courage will do anything for you. But the courage is most important.
Fantastic. So, what did you do to improve your communication and English speaking? Because that's a pain point for most people.
Yes, yes. Just for the English, there is one channel in YouTube called Hindi Learning. And the second thing is that you have to one friend who is constantly talking with you in English mode, okay, and in English language. So whether you have some difficulties, have some confusion, he or you, uh, means there is a connection between you and him, that correct one each other. So that matters a lot. And after that, you also have to what we can say, that to solve the confusion of yourself. That is my English is like about I has, we has, just
Mhm.
like about grammar is something means here and there. So I just work on my grammar and just increase my vocabulary, and also having some learnix is most important because confusion solving channel is there. Learnix, I just thanks grateful for the learnix because it helps me more to grow in English language. And just to speaking in front of mirror, writing something that you know, it also adds. Okay, I just write some rituals of myself to learn English language, and they also surfing in social media.
Fantastic. I just love the dedication and I really absolutely love your techniques. Right? For those of you watching this video, grab a friend and talk to that friend in English and make use of technology, make good use of technology. And again, I think if I have to think of Ajinkya, one adjective that I would like to add for Ajinkya is determination. Without determination, I don't think anything would be possible. And he's clearly
Yes,
an
ma'am.
example. In fact, Ajinkya, if I'm not mistaken, we've also done a mock PI together.
Yes, 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 yes.
I think it was in the month of September, of what I remember. I'm not too clear, but we've done a mock
September,
PI
October.
together
Uh,
in August or something. I think it was August.
yes, it was August, and now you can watch me. That type of English and this English is
Yes.
totally different.
I can
Because
totally make out the change now.
yes,
Yes.
because what happened, ma'am, at that moment, I learned something, but I didn't implement, and I found that no, if you are improving yourself, then change is have to seen by you, not by the people, because that is external, and what you do that is internal. So I just change all the things that I learned, implement it, and just focusing on the things that I, because that in mock PI that really hurts me. No यार, आज कुछ तो भी गड़बड़ हुआ है, इसको आपको सुधारना ही है. So I just go through that, work on myself, because success is so simple. You have to fulfill the criteria of learning, remove yell, remaining is your earning. Just people
Wow.
don't focus, just people don't focus on their learning, and just this that questioning their means questioning himself that I don't have that much amount of earning like other people. So just one thing, focus on yourself. Learning is most important for the earning. Sometimes it will take lucky jump, but you have to consistent on your personal development.
Wow. Ajinkya, you're truly an inspiration, I must say. So drop the L after learning well and you'll get earning. Yes, so fantastic. I mean, actually, it's an honor to have you, to be very honest. I'm lucky that I've got this privilege to actually decode everything that you've done for yourself in order to be here today.
Yes,
So,
ma'am. Actually, I want to share one more of my experience. When I was in my second year of my engineering, there was a session that is called soft skill. And in that soft skill session, I have to introduce myself in near about 2 minutes. And I completed my soft skill, I completed my introduction in just 40 minutes, sorry, 40 seconds. So I just started working on that, communicating with other people at
Ajinkya,
that moment.
if you don't mind, could you repeat? I could not hear you from 40 seconds. If you could just repeat from
So
40 seconds.
yes, ma'am. So I am not able to speak 40 seconds for 2 minutes. I just speak 40 seconds in on the stage. So that moment changed me because that hurts me, and whatever hurts you, that changes you. So that hurts me, and I just talking with my friend. That is something, but they are also just laugh on me, and now they ask me how to improve my English language. Ajinkya, tell me something about that. So that's the difference. When actually you work on yourself, people laugh on you sometimes, but that is the external. Internal is what you know, what you are doing, that is the internal.
Superb. It's a privilege having you today, Ajinkya. And we've almost reached the end of this interview for our achievement series. I just
Yes.
want you to share maybe one or two messages for our audience here. What should they do in order to, accelerate their journey towards getting a job that
Yes.
they really feel is relevant for them?
The one question for the audience, just some they want to shift their self from technical to non technical. So
Hmm.
just I think that my all teachers and all the higher authorities who took my interview, they just fascinated about this answer. Why you want to shift yourself from technical to non-technical? What I told to them, sales and marketing is one of the job who you explore yourself in different manner. You have some greatest opportunities to learn something from different places, different people. So every day you have some new experiences, and after that, reaching out to the people, showing the product, negotiating, convincing, adding value into their life, and after that closing the deal. It gives a valuable experience for the individual, and also builds incredible confidence as a sales and marketing professional. So that changed me.
Wow, that was a power packed statement. And if I have to ask you, generally for people, irrespective whether they want to shift their career or not, if they have to accelerate the way they get a job, what would
Yes.
one point be, one message that you want to leave our audience with? What would that one message be with which you want to leave our audience if they want
Just
to really get a job quickly, which is relevant, not compromising on the job?
yes, yes. First thing, that some people are following their passion and they miss what they have to do. Because actually, Jeff Bezos sir already told that you don't have to follow your passion. If you are really passionate about your passion, passion will follow you. You don't have to follow passion. So if you truly work on your passion, then you find some opportunities for you. That is the one thing. And the second thing, that what you have to do right now, that matters a lot rather than your passion. So you have to see the difference between passion and what you have to do right now, except your passion. So when you are truly what confident on yourself, in which field I have to go, then what happens, the confusion that you have in your mind and your physical as well, that clear, and your road is very clear for you. So just try to focus on which field that you have to go. Many more opportunities are on the way. And in my college also, I told to my one of my close friend, he told me that opportunities are not have happen or available in the market. I just told him that opportunities are not less in the market. We are too unskillful to grab that opportunity. So we have to skillful ourselves. Opportunities are on the way.
Wow. Wow. So again, it is determination and learning and belief in self. These three are things that are constantly coming out in Ajinkya's answers, if you notice, right? And yes, you can see a clear evidence here that when you have these three elements, success is bound to come to you.
Yes.
So with that, Ajinkya, it was fantastic having
I
you.
also written I also written one quote, and I just post on my social media.
Mhm.
That quote is that what you are today, it is not all about the success that you have. It is all about the failure that you have, that makes me unstoppable. So don't worry about failure. Okay. So failure are your success story. Just change your perception towards the failure, because it is the experience. And when you start again, because some people are feeling one interview and they just devastated, ma'am, what I have to do. So that again, when you are starting, you are not starting from the scratch. You are from the most experienced thing in the world. That is called experience. And just people forget about that, and they just think that no, I have don't have even in my hand, and from which thing I have to start. Just attitude is everything.
Wow. So I think I don't need to add on anything out here. Ajinkya has given you all the nuggets and it's fantastic. In fact, what I'm going to do is below this video, I'm going to add links to one of Ajinkya's profile. Go ahead and check out and do get connected with him and network. All right.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it would be fantastic because Ajinkya is also into content writing. So we'll drop the link below for you and let's get connected and let's together grow and create a beautiful world where success is not an option. Yes.
Yes.
And if you're looking to know more about how can you get ready for your job preparation and job hunting process, you could connect with me on any of my channels mentioned below. All right. So with that, we'll call it a day. It was fantastic having you over, Ajinkya, and
Thank you so
looking
much,
forward
ma'am.
to so many more successes for you.
Yes, yes.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much for your kind help and guidance. I also share one of my insight to all the people who watch this video. If you are facing some challenges in your job ready process, please reach out to the Ria ma'am. She is one of the best soft skill trainer in the world. I thought that, and I realize also. So just reach out to the Ria ma'am, and she will definitely teach you something that you don't even know. So just go to the Ria ma'am portal and subscribe that course. That is the humble request for you to change your life. And
Thank you, Ajay.
one decision, you have just one, means you are just one decision away to change your life. But that decision could be anything. Okay. For me, it is Ria ma'am.
Thank you so much, Ajinkya. That truly means a lot to me. Thanks a lot.